Hello and welcome. This video is to demonstrate how to complete your background application. Please fill out all the fields below. Start with your full name. Next we'll enter your social security number, date of birth, and so forth. You'll enter your address, city, state, zip, phone number, and email address. You'll click Continue to Next Step. Here you need to check on the box that says I consent to a digital signature. Click Continue to Next Step. Here you're going to continue to Next Step. Please click on the Applicant Release Form. This is where you'll need to sign the document. Using your left mouse button, click and hold and draw your signature within this box. If you're happy with your signature, please click Save Your Signature. If you're not happy with it, clear signature and start over. If you're using a tablet or your phone, please use your finger, sign the document within the box, and then click Save Your Signature. Once you've saved your signature, just click Continue to Next Step, and that's it. This number right here is your reference number. If you have any questions, please call 704-561-0081. Provide this reference number and we'll be glad to help you out. Thank you very much. Have a great day.